Don't worry, guys, I got a plan. Oh!
Hey Dan! We have the Braille Skateboarding Mystery Skate Wheel, which you can get exclusively for the time being at Target and Target.com. So we have this new series that we started called Fingerboard Anything, where Uzi, who is our resident professional fingerboarder, he literally tries to fingerboard anything. So episode 1, we had an iPhone. Episode 2, he fingerboarded Hot Wheel cars. Did you see that, by the way? Dude, he literally was doing lines. He was front blunting the rail.
He got a pro fingerboard for a reason.
No, that's respect. And when you ask Uzi about it too, you're like, how do you feel? He's like, yeah, well, yeah, that's cool, I guess. If I had a pro fingerboard, I'd be like, what are you kidding me? I have a pro fingerboard! You know, good though, I'll just be excited for him. Before we get down and dirty with this guy, let me just show you guys what you can get right here in this mystery skate wheel. It's still available at Target. Let's open this bad boy up. I feel like a lot of people see this and they're like, what is this? Hey! The flat bottom too, to make it stand, is like a flat spot. Oh! All right, so we're gonna go ahead and open this up. So this includes the grind rail, a ramp, 4 skateboards, 4 sets of trucks, 4 sets of wheels, mini stickers, and a tool. And this right here, this is the only way that you can get the biggest boards. Because we got the mystery ones, but all the big guys, exclusives, are in here. Check that out, bro.
This is just like our rail. Look, right there. Honestly, we need to paint our rail blue at the bottom so we could just have that identical rail.
We got the kicker right here.
AKA right there.
Get that.
We got the collector's catalog. Oh, bro, the red sticker though. And then we got the 4 mystery boards that come in the blind bag. So every time you open one, it's like Christmas. You want to do 2 and 2?
Yo, the surfboard.
You got the surfboard.
Look at the Braille sticker on it, detailed.
I got the TV right here. TV, it even shows where the hardware is screwed in.
Whoa, oh, what is that?
Ironing board.
Ironing?
Yep.
Look at the...
You got the snowboard too with the bindings on top. That's so funny. I miss snowboarding. All right, so now that we got these out of the way, we can get down to the business. These right here are Joycons for the Nintendo Switch. These are real, 100% real. There's 80 bucks.
80 bucks?
80 bucks for these 2 guys. Basically today, Uzi's gonna put some fingerboard trucks on there and he's gonna see what he can do on these. Uzi, you ready?
What? Okay.
If you don't know, we did a video on this. Looks like a flashlight, right? It causes fire. It causes flame.
I'm not gonna lie, you're probably gonna be able to do some good tricks on this.
Check it out. Check it out. I can't even look at it. Ew! Look at it.
Oh, you know how you make builds?
You guys want to see the new technique I got here? All right, check it out.
No, wait, you're melting that? Oh, it's probably not good to smell that.
We gotta melt it more.
I gotta go double protection. Get closer, bro.
I just took a big breath out of it. I really think there was like.
Oh God, bro.
Hey, I think there was like radioactive stuff in there. Oh my God.
No corona. No
Corona. That was the worst. Glow's eyes are watering.
You know what? You live and you learn. Switch controllers they burn really smelly.
Typical Uzi. It's all good though.
How's I supposed to know?
Is it on there though?
It's hot. Oh yeah, it's on there.
Want to do the next one outside?
Just grab the hot glue, man.
Just hold your breath.
That close together?
Oh no, that's the wrong spot. I'm holding my breath this whole time. Oh, there we go. That's perfect. I gotta get a... Oh, it melted through the whole thing. It went into the inside it. Oh God.
Wait, Glow, you seen this? I wonder if it's gonna blow up.
Dude, how'd it go that fast? I can literally read the label inside. Whose idea was this? I should have just melted the glue.
Uzi's a brute guy.
All right, I got a plan. Got a plan. Don't worry, guys. I got a plan. You know what I do? I come up with plans. And you know what I got? A plan. Here we go. Watch out for your eyes. Can't even look directly at it. It's like the sun. I don't even know if it's melting. I can't look at it. Oh, now I can tell it's melting.
Oh, it's gonna fall.
Oh my gosh, why did they make a flashlight so hot? We're just gonna patch that hole up while we're at it. There we go. Wow, look at that. Look at that, look at it. Would you just look at it? I put these trucks on way too far at the end, but it's melted into the plastic, so there's nothing I can do about it, unless I melt around it. It's like, how do you kickflip? BY. Oh yeah, it's not dry yet. Should I melt something while we wait a minute?
We should make a weird build. So we got this one, we need another one.
Getting ready to hold my breath like David Blaine. What? Nothing. We're not doing anything. Don't worry. Nothing. We're not doing anything, Gabe. Don't worry. We're not doing nothing. We're not doing anything, Gabe. You know what? I'll just make 2.
Imagine real life, a roof to a handrail.
Hey, it's the current brightness of the sun, Dan. I literally can't see it.
Okay. That's all I needed.
I see a bright spot in my eye now, thank you.
I told you it's bright.
Wow, look at that meltability.
You know what? Come to think of it, this is a lot better technique than melting the actual plastic. Doesn't smell as bad, doesn't look as bad. Look, that was easy. Wow, I should have just done that the whole time.
I'm gonna have realistic falls now. Oh, that hurt.
Dang, you would have gotten bodied. Oh! Dang. Susie, what are you doing?
Coming up with a new board while we wait. Ah, what the?
It looks like you're holding a sun.
I am.
Oh, it's burnt. It is smoking.
This is my son. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa there, little guy. Whoa. Here we go, right there. Look at that. Wow.
I can't wait to try the Baja Blast later.
Everyone watching, Gabe has never had a Baja Blast. Can you even believe that? I understand if you want to unsubscribe to Gabe from real life because he's never had a Baja Blast. But you know what? Don't give him a hard time, you know? We don't know what's happened with his life, but he's never had a Baja Blast. And just so you know, his life is going to change today because he's going to have one. He told us he was going on this journey. It's like soul searching. Like you're going to find yourself in that Baja Blast.
You seem to have a lot of good things to say about this Baja Blast.
Nothing but the best.
You know, if the Baja
The
Blast...
utmost respect for the Baja.
You know, if the Baja Blast is as powerful as they say, then since you drank one, you should be able to kickflip the 5.
There's only one thing in this world more powerful than the Baja Blast, and it's my inability to kickflip the 5 stair this week. This week it is not happening, no matter what. I did kickflip back tail, tray 50 today. Kickflip 5 stair, no way. Not even a shot of that happening. Look at this. This is a tail. That's a nice nose right there. Ooh, you ever just stop and like think to yourself, what would it be like if I had nuclear fusion in my hands and I was trying to melt a glue stick 4 centimeters from my finger? That's me right now.
I mean, if you had nuclear fusion in your fingers, then obviously your body would be adapted to handle the heat and radiation of nuclear fusion.
Maybe I should clarify nuclear fusion device in one hand and a glue stick in the other.
Well, how do you feel right now? It's basically what you're doing.
Very unsafe. Feel very scared. Nobody knows. What am I doing right now? Building a Frankenboard. You ever seen something so sick looking? Kind of looks like a ship, Viking
like the,
ship. Little pop. Hey, look, we got a Euro.
It actually pops.
Kinda. It's like surfing. You got a, what is it called? Ripcord? What is it called? Oh, it cheats. Oh my gosh. What is that thing? We should make that in real life.
Oh!
This is a pro model board.
Oh! All right, Dan, let's see some shredding, brother.
Watch this, bro. Check it out. Whoa! That was radical. Oh my God. Board slide, bro. Oh. Smith, front board. He did a front feeble. Front board. Oh my God. Front nose grind, nose slide, bro. Watch this off the ramp. See that, bro? That was radical. It got pitted. I'm gonna come up here. I'm gonna hit a little, whoa, Smith grind. Hit the lever, steer where I'm going. Oh, 50-50. Oh, oh, oh. Here we go. Oh, oh. Clean roll away, bro. Learn how to ollie on this, to be honest. Watch this. Oh my. See that? That was clean. Just take it off? What you mean just take it off? You've been holding out on me this whole time? Yeah. Saw me flailing around this whole time? Look at that, front board. No, it's better without it. I don't know what that was, forward flip.
You think this is amusing, Mo?
No, I just like...
He is a pro at work.
Hey, do the...
Tray flip? Over the water bottle. Dude, can we get a giant water bottle like that? Like proportion size? Like it's the same height as us? That was a sketch, but... Oh, is that Will Noddas? Is that Stevie Noddas? Is that Noddas McSpinnis? Woo! What were you saying? What were you saying? What were you saying, Gabe?
I was saying...
Bro, watch this! Oh, shove it! Wait, what were you saying? I can't skate this in real life, so watch me.
Do it this way.
Watch me. Watch this Grand Canyon gap. Can you put some like stock heavy metal music to this? What'd you do at work today, honey? I'll eat the Grand Canyon. Yo, it's Wallenberg.
How did you lose your shoe?
I don't know, but I almost did a face plant into the coping. Wallenberg's no joke. We lost the truck. I could put it back on though.
All right, we'll go ahead and end this video, Dan. Not very successful.
It was pretty successful. First of all, I mean, I almost got bodied trying to hit Wallenberg. It was successful for a while. We had a bit of a malfunction, you could call it. But look at this. No, that one's in there. But you know what? This one worked. I did some ollies. We only lost this truck because I tried to hit Wallenberg. But you know what's way easier to use than these? Is these right here in this pack. This is the wrong side. But if you zoom in there, it says skate wheel, like all that right there. Not the fine print. I don't know what that means. But we have skateboards that you can use. The Braille fingerboards in Target. I think they're sold out now, but we're gonna make more. They're gonna be there. Just hold on. We could get through this all together, okay? What is happening right now? All right, I've seen that. All right, you want me to hit him with the outro? Like, comment, subscribe. That was Fingerboard Everything, I believe is a series. Anything. Fingerboard Anything. That's what it's called. Fingerboard Anything. We will fingerboard anything. We might, no, can't use a normal skateboard. That's handboarding. Anyways, like, comment, subscribe. Leave a comment below. What do you think we should use as a fingerboard next time? There's some more videos right in this general region right here. See if I can like outline it. Wait, that didn't work. Anyways, yeah, that's all there is. Bye.
Bye.